How to fix screen flickering problem on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your screen is blinking or flickering on Windows. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is press Ctrl Alt and then Delete button, and it will open up this menu right here. You are just going to click on the power button and click on Shift and then Restart. And once you click on restart, what happens is it will take you to this option where you have an option to troubleshoot. So just go ahead and click on troubleshoot. Then from here you want to head over to advanced options, and then you want to uninstall the updates. So you want to remove the recently installed updates. So click on it. Now you're gonna uninstall latest quality update, and then confirm. So once you click on uninstall updates, your PC will restart. Now once your PC has restarted, you just want to open up your device manager, and once you do that, you want to find your display adapters. Click on the drop down and then right click on the display adapter. Now you are going to update the drivers. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you should be good to go. Now the other thing you can try to do is run a troubleshoot. So just search for settings, head over to system tab. Now scroll down until you find troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshooters. Now from here you just want to, if you have any problem with your display, it will show you the display troubleshoot right here. You just want to click on run, and if there are any problems, the computer will fix itself. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.